Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and I'm back with a easy, quick chicken leg dinner. For this, we're going to need a can of diced tomatoes, 6 to 8 chicken legs, 2 to 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, a teaspoon each of salt, chili powder, and mustard powder, half a teaspoon of celery seeds, and 1 clove of garlic minced. Going to need a little bit of butter and about 1/4 of a cup of flour seasoned with salt and pepper. Last but not least, you will need your Worcestershire sauce. Seems easy enough. First off, I'm going to be distributing the flour all over my chicken, so it's a thin layer on all of the chicken legs. Next step will be to put our chicken legs into the pan. We're simply going to brown them up first. And once your chicken is starting to get brown on all the sides and you don't see very much pink showing again, we're going to just simply be removing it from our pan to put into a bowl or a plate, waiting to the side. The rest is pretty simple. Once you take the chicken out, put all the remaining ingredients, our sauce, our brown sugar, our seasonings, our vinegar, and our tomatoes into the pan. And when our ingredients have had a couple minutes to start simmering away again, we're going to be adding in our chicken. And this is going to be cooked in our sauce on a medium to low heat for the next 40 to 45 minutes. Okay, it's been a good 45 minutes and my chicken is looking amazing. Now, if you make this dish and you're worried about it, put your kitchen thermometer into the thickest part of one of the chicken's legs, and if it is over 165, you're good. If it's a little under, give it 5 or 10 more minutes and try again. Okay, we've plated up 2 pieces of our chicken. It smells amazing, and now it's time to try it out. Well, my chicken tastes amazing. As you can tell, I almost finished that whole drumstick, so yeah. The tomatoes still have the acid in them, but then they have that sweet flavor because of the brown sugar, and it all soaks into the chicken really well. You could probably put this on top of rice or noodles or even just by itself. It's amazing. And it was a one-pot simple thing to do for dinner. So if you have any thoughts, don't like what I did, think I did something wrong, you know the drill. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I will see you in the next video.